Okay, for all you parents and students getting ready for engineering admissions, let's take a close look at Prathyusha Engineering College in Tiruvallur. Now, the first thing you'll need to remember is its TNEA Code, 1110.
Right off the bat, here's a huge point you need to know. This college became autonomous in 2023. So what does that actually mean for a student? Well, it means more control over the syllabus and exams, keeping things really up to date. And they're clearly using that freedom to focus on modern, new-age computing programs. That tells you a lot about their forward-thinking direction.
So here's our game plan for this explainer. We'll start with the college's background, then we'll check its official accreditations. After that, we'll dive into the specific engineering programs on offer. And then, the big one, we'll analyze their latest placement record. We'll wrap things up by looking at student facilities. Sound good? Let's go.
All right, first up, let's get to know the college. Who are they and what's their story?
So, let's lay down the basics. The full name is Prathyusha Engineering College, and it was started back in 2001. It's a self-financing college with Telugu minority status, and it's affiliated to Anna University in Chennai. Admissions? They happen through TNEA counseling, with that standard 65-35 split between the government and management quotas.
You know, every institution has a why, a core reason it was started. And this one is pretty special. The founder, Sri P. Raja Rao, had a very clear vision: to bring engineering education to the Tiruvallur region, with a special focus on helping first-generation learners. That gives you a real sense of purpose behind the college's existence.
Now let's talk about proof. As a parent, you're making a huge investment, so you need to see that external stamp of approval. Let's look at the accreditations.
First things first, the absolute baseline checkmark. Yes, the college has confirmed AICTE approval for all its programs for the 2025-2026 academic year. That's the green light you need to see.
But let's go beyond the basic approval. What about the National Board of Accreditation, or NBA, which is a real sign of high quality for specific departments? How many programs have earned it? The answer is 3.
And which 3 are they? We're talking about Biotechnology, the flagship Computer Science and Engineering, and Electronics and Communication Engineering. What's more, all 3 of these accreditations are valid all the way until June 2026.
And there's more. The college also gets a national nod for its culture of innovation. In the 2023 NIRF Innovation Rankings, you might know it as REIA, it was ranked in the 101 to 150 band among colleges across the country.
Okay, the quality checks are looking solid. So now, let's get to the really exciting part. What can you actually study here? Let's break down the engineering programs available for the 2026 batch.
They have a pretty impressive list. You've got the classic branches, like biotech and mechanical, of course. But what really jumps out is this strong focus on computing. Look at this: AI and data science, information technology, and then you have CSE specializations in AI and machine learning, another one in cybersecurity, and even computer science and business systems. That's a modern curriculum.
So, across all of these fantastic undergraduate programs, what's the total number of seats up for grabs? The approved intake for the coming year is 780. That gives you a good sense of the size and scale of the college's operations. And now, for the part everyone's been waiting for. It's the ultimate question for any parent or student, right? What's the return on investment? Let's dig into the placement numbers from the very latest batch.
Now this is really important. All the figures we're about to show you are for the 2024-2025 graduating batch. This isn't old data, this is as fresh and relevant as it gets.
Take a look at these numbers. The performance is consistently strong. Their new AI and data science branch, a fantastic 98.31% placement. Biotech and ECE are both sitting strong above 90%, and IT is over 91%. But the real story, the headline, is hidden in those core branches.
100%, not a single student left behind. The Computer Science and Engineering Department achieved a perfect placement record for their 2025 batch.
And they didn't stop there. Electrical and Electronics Engineering? Also a perfect 100% placement. Incredible.
And to make it a hat trick, mechanical engineering also hit 100% placement. Let that sink in. 3 major core branches, CSE, EEE, and mechanical, all with a perfect placement record. That is a truly powerful statement.
Those are some seriously impressive outcomes. But, of course, a great career starts with a great college experience. So, let's shift gears and look at the essential facilities and support systems that will shape a student's life on campus.
For students planning to stay on campus, this is crucial. Yes, the college provides separate hostels. The boys' hostel can house about 450 students, and the girls' hostel has space for around 300. And, a very important detail for many families, the mess in both hostels serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food.
For day scholars, transport is well covered. The college has its own fleet of buses that service a wide area, including Chennai, Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, and Chengalpattu. If you're coming by train, the nearest station is Tiruvallur, which is about 8 kilometers away. And on the financial side, the college does offer the Sri Savramaya Merit Scholarship, which is for students who come in with high cutoff marks.
Just so you know, all the facts and figures we've discussed today have been carefully compiled from the college's own official website and cross-checked with trusted government portals at the time we put this together.
So there you have it, a clear, fact-based picture of Prathyusha Engineering College. We hope this helps you decide if it belongs on your shortlist. To keep exploring and compare even more colleges, head over to profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.